This is a 2007 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, 12-volt power outlets, front side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.